ఎలా మీ ఊళ్ళోకి వెళ్తారా? ఊళ్ళోకి వెళ్ళిన దాదాపు పడిపోతారు మధ్యలో పడిపోతారు. ఇక్కడికి వెళ్ళిపోయి వెళ్ళి మీకు తెలిసిపోతుంది. ఆవిడ ఎవరో చనిపోయిన చూడడానికి వెళ్తే ఆవిడ వెంటనే
ఒకసారి ప్రసాద్ నెంబర్ మేనేజ్ పెడతాము. ఇందాక వాళ్ళ అన్నయ్య ఇరికిపోయారు, తీసేయడానికి వెళ్ళి తీసుకొస్తున్నారు. ఎలా ఉందని చూడండి. ప్రసాద్ నెంబర్
हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज मेरे पास टॉपिक है वाइजैक गैस लीक। वाइजैक गैस लीक जो हुआ है, तो सबसे पहले आपको मैं बताती हूँ व्हाट इज़ एलजी ऑल अबाउट। एलजी कंपनी, एलजी स्टैंड्स फॉर लकी गोल्ड स्टार। इट इज़ अ साउथ कोरिया बेस्ड कंपनी, हेडक्वार्टर एट सियोल, साउथ कोरिया, and it is a multinational electronic product company. It has the chemical products also and the telecom products also. So let's get into something with related to this. So I just note down some points कि LG की शुरुआत कैसे हुआ, क्या हुआ, और ये जो भी हुआ, मैंने एक दो वीडियो एक छोटे से ग्लिम्स ऐड किया। आपने देखा होगा लोग कितने चक्कर खा के गिरे, एकदम पॉइजनस गैस का अटैक हुआ है। और this LG Polymers India, this has the chemical plant in Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh, and the poisonous gas leaked on Thursday, killing several locals. So many people were fainted on the road, or because सांस लेने में तकलीफ हुई उन्हें। This plant was set up in December 1996 before the Korean major electronics, this LG Electronics, entered India, because it is an LG's Korean company. And the plant has been the center of legal battles, you know, because जितनी बड़ी कंपनीज आती हैं, they have land disputes बड़े होते हैं उनके, state versus the chemical plants. Originally set up as Hindustan Polymers in 1961, the manufacturing unit landed up in liquor major UB Group's McDowell's lab in 1978, and as South Korea's LG Group geared up to establish its footprint in India's consumer durable space. In the mid-1990s, it acquired the plant under a share transfer deal against its 100 crore investment in the plant. So this polymer business was very crucial for LG, and the brand that came the leading consumer appliances, this played an important role in its growth, because LG just improved as a very big brand for the electronic items in India. Okay, now what the controversy broke out is that the subsidiary LG Polymers India, which operated its unit in Visakhapatnam, and the land transfer and user agreement between the previous owner and Andhra Pradesh government dragged this LG and the state to court. Unauthorized use of the land, like setting up a luxury resort on land offered for the industrial purposes. So that is something which is breaking the land ceiling norms. It was breaching the state land ceiling norms, and so there was a legal fight between this LG Polymers and the state government and all. So what was the timeline? Now I'm going to tell you about the timelines. 1961, plant established by Shriram Group. 1978, UB Group's McDowell's and Corporation acquired plant. December 96, LG Chemicals, LG Polymers India, and takes over Vizag plant from UB. January 1997, LG Electronics India set up shops in India, and they begin their manufacturing setup, which was set up in Noida. Okay, the appliances, LG appliances. 2001, LG Polymer faces AP government at Andhra High Court for violating the Land Ceiling Act. 2010, in a case involving all key LG parent companies, LG Polymers faces setback for flouting IT norms. And 2020, May 2020, this tragic incident happened. The deadly gas leak from the plant leaves a dozen dead. So the plant primarily produces styrene, known carcinogen, and its derivative like polystyrene जो polythene polymers chemical formula जो होता है, and expandable polystyrene. These in turn are extensively used in manufacturing several key body parts for large appliances, like inner parts for indoor units of ACs, inner buckets and racks for refrigerators, and outer body parts for washing machines that are consumed by LG Electronics. That was their polymer plant, like, so for the ACs and the washing machine and the refrigerator, they were using that thing. 2 plants at Noida and Pune, and further it also supplies to firms like Kent RO and air cooler makers. So this was all about LG, and is a string in the chain of companies, and through which LG Chemical operates here. Here the LG Chemical also operates. So at least two other subsidiaries, LGC Petrochemical India in Mumbai and LG Chemical Life Sciences in Gurugram, are operational and offer products and services like consultancy and advocacy in the fields of petrochemicals and pharma. And with these three subsidiaries, LG Chemicals India presence is sizable, lesser only in South Korea, China, US and Vietnam. And the LG Chemical is the parent company of LG Polymers, and it was cooperating with Indian authorities to help residents and employees. Okay, so now they say that the gas leakage is under controlled, and the leaked gas but though caused nausea and dizziness. If somebody has the this issue in breathing or something like that, especially the people with breathing issues got severely with this thing and they die. And so this is all about LG thing, and what is this LG Chemicals all about. Hope you like this video, and please watch few of the glimpses which I have put it. It is really disheartening and sad to see people dying like that. So bye bye for now, and catch you later, and we'll talk on some other topic.